Hi, it's Michael, and today we have a question from Suzanne Brokovich from New York, US of A. How do I install the bracket? So it's rather straightforward. I want to point out one thing, that is, our competition will use 2-3 securing points. We use 8, smaller ones, but 8. You need to know that our diving boards are rather popular on motor yachts, and you know, a motor yacht deck is not the same deck as the deck of your pool. They don't have a concrete slab. You need to secure all of 8 points with a 10mm or half an inch thick thunderbolt, and we want you to have it at least 100mm, 10 cm or 4 inches into the concrete slab under the flagstone. And then it will be secured, it won't move anymore. I hope this is helpful. As said before, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer, so I like likes, I like subscriptions, but for all, please give me some comments. Thank you.